Vision BMW ALPINA. And as Jochen Goller just said, it is much more than another concept car. It is our letter of intent for the future of the BMW ALPINA brand. It incorporates all the iconic elements that we're going to work with, combined with a very new and modern design language. It is a 2+2 coupe, as you can tell, and it is inspired by another beautiful car from Alpina's history, the V7 Turbo Coupe, based on the E24 6 Series of its day. You immediately can tell BMW ALPINA is going to be about quiet luxury and extreme capability. It's going to be about speed and comfort. That quiet confidence you can immediately see in the front end of the vehicle. A lot of sharp nose, a lot of plan view, and a new and very precise, very slim light signature. The light color is bespoke. This amber color we're going to reserve for BMW ALPINAs only. It's going to be one of those signature elements for people that know ALPINA. Below in the bumper you see the ALPINA word mark that is positioned in the center of the car on an air dam. A piece of equipment that comes in handy when you're driving 300 kilometers an hour. In the side view you see a beautiful, elegant silhouette, but actually when you look inside later on, you will find ample space for 4 persons in this sporty vehicle. Of course, in the body side there is only one line that goes up towards the rear that is an indication of the speed that you can travel with in this car. On the shoulder you see the typical ALPINA signature line, which in the future will no longer be a sticker. It will be painted on the car underneath the clear coat. And you can of course have this in any color you want. And then of course inside a very typical signature element for BMW ALPINA, the 20-spoke wheels that have always been something that the connoisseurs know very well. And in this car they are executed in 22 and 23 inch. If we look at the rear of the car, you see that the car sits on its wheels really well, broad shoulders, very precise lines, ultra slim L-shaped tail lamps, and here, and that is new, the ALPINA word mark located centrally on the tailgate. That's what we're going to do. We felt that is a little bit more refined, seated just below the BMW logo. And then lower on in the bumper, if you're interested in drivetrain technology, you will find 4 oval exhaust pipes. So that is what ALPINA is going to offer with a V8, which is what this car has. Then in the interior you will find the finest quality leather, highest levels of comfort, and beautiful details. There is some details that are reminiscent of ALPINA's heritage, and a lot of new details as well. There is even some bespoke glasses and a fridge inside, so life on board of an ALPINA will indeed be rather pleasant. Of course, the customer will get a lot of choices in terms of colors and materials. We expect a lot of different looking ALPINAs. So as I said, the first glimpse of what is to come, how we want to develop the BMW ALPINA brand into the future. It is going to be about speed and comfort. Thank you very much.
You've just seen the car, the new Vision BMW ALPINA, and as you can see, it is quite stunning, especially on the outside. Of course, it's got the Noire classic design a little bit because BMW is going towards that direction with a lot of the cars. We're going to have a full design review on the next video with Max Missoni, the head of BMW ALPINA design, and also the middle and luxury class. He's going to tell us all about this car. We're going to go inside and take a look at that because, as you might have seen by now in the footage, there is a really interesting design in there. It comes from the 7 Series a little bit, but of course with the ALPINA touches, so we want to talk about that as well. But for now, this is the car. This is the future of the Alpina brand, and we're gonna see also next year the first B7, which is based on the 7 Series, the facelift. And then after that, I'm sure Alpina will have a lot of surprises for us in store. With that being said, I'm gonna let you take a look at this car once again, and I'll see you in the next video with that design review.
We focus on speed, not sport. We find beauty in sophistication and create automobiles that master both performance and comfort. For the discerning few who drive far, travel fast, and seek the exceptional.